It was a tough situation, and I was going for a tournament in Birmingham, and when we landed in Dubai, I think after 15 minutes it was shut. So it was really very stressful. Initially, we didn't understand how it was, but I think overall later on when we got to know how the situation was, I mean we were like, okay, maybe today it'll be fine or tomorrow it'll be fine, but day by day they kept saying that the airspace is shut, the airspace is shut. So it was a bit terrifying. And my coach was at the airport, and he could hear, there was a big smoke, big noise, and of course there was a lot of smoke, and he could hear. So it was very stressful. I mean, we weren't there at that point, we were actually going to the hotel and he was at the airport. And I think after that as well, they all everybody, all the passengers came out, and they took a bus, and they also went to some of the hotels. So I think we also heard, the next day from the hotel we could hear sounds. So it was very scary. But yeah, I'm very thankful to the Consulate General, Indian Consulate General in Dubai, and also our government, because they've been coordinating very well, and they've been very helpful that way, because it's not that easy to accommodate a lot of people out there, a lot of Indians, of course, including me. And they've also had few flights in that. Luckily, I was one of them, and I think even the airlines was very, very kind, that I mean, they've helped to their best. I know even their hands were tied, because there are so many people, because almost all the flights have been cancelled, and there were like too many people. When we were coming out, sometimes the immigration also was closed. They couldn't let anybody out because there was so much crowd. So I think, but by God's grace, more than anything, I think safety first priority is that, and of course we are here, we landed safely.